I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the name of your iPhone. So when you create yourself an iPhone is going to ask you to log in into your Apple ID. So whichever name your Apple ID has, that name is going to be your iPhone. So remember this, the name which you are changing is going to be of your Apple ID. And basically whenever you change the name of your Apple ID, the Apple ID which is on your iPhone, that name is going to be changed, which means automatically your Apple phone's name is going to be changed. Do not like trying to make it overcomplicated. If you think what I said is overcomplicated, basically your Apple ID is logged in into your account and you change its name, your phone's name is also going to be changed, your Apple ID's name is also going to be changed. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Step, you open setting on your iPhone and you click on your username at the top. So mine is 𝐘𝐸𝐿, so it says 𝐘𝐸𝐿. It's going to show you your name, so click on it. So once you come over here, you can see name, phones, numbers, email over here. You can click on it. Now once you're over here at the top, there's going to be name and your current name is going to be shown. So mine is 𝐘𝐸𝐿, so I can click on it and it's going to take me over here. And over here I can change my name. So I don't want Vichy, what I can write is 𝐘𝐸𝐿. So I'm going to write my name Kevin. So I can click on done. If you want to add a middle name, you can. If you don't, you can leave that empty. All right, click on done at the top right corner of your screen. It's going to load for a time and you need internet in order to change your phone's name. All right, so if you're not currently connected to any internet or any data connection, make sure to use your Wi-Fi or a data connection. Make sure it's stable, because if it is slow, then it's not going to work. Make sure you're connected and basically your name will be changed. So yeah.